Okay, hi students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss the continuation part definite integral. Previous class we have discussed few questions, previous CET questions. We have discussed. Okay, now the previous these are very important previous CET questions. So once again I am going to explain the properties. Integration of 0 to a f of x dx equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Integration of a to b f of x dx equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. If f of 2a minus x equal to minus f of x, then this value become a 0. Integration of minus a to a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If f of x is even means f of minus x equal to f of x. 0 if it is odd, f of minus x equal to minus f of x. And properties also we have discussed some properties and standard results, those are very important. Okay, by solving the previous CET questions you come to know that what is the importance of standard result and the properties. Yes, when it is special function we should eliminate mod x and step x. If there no, we should at what point it is changing, there we should write the intervals, particular interval. Okay, this is integration of 0 to pi by 4 tan power nx dx equal to formula. What is the value of, let this is in, then in plus 1 in plus 1 plus 2 which is equal to 1 by n plus 1. Whatever it may be, if you take in minus 1, here in minus between n plus 1, n minus 1, n plus 1 between is n, so that is the answer 1 by n. So 0 to pi by 4, for example tan power 9x, tell me I7 plus I9 which is equal to, in between 8 is there, 1 by 8. I5 plus I7, in between 6 is there, so 1 by 6. This is most important. It was asked CET 2-3 times and JEE also. Right. Integration of 0 to 3 step x dx. How to find? Step x is changes for every integer. So integration of 0 to 1 step x dx plus integration of 1 to 2 step x dx plus integration of 2 to 3 step x dx. 0 to 1, between 0 to 1 take any number 0.5, 0.6, 0.7. What is the step value? 0. 1 to 2 step x value is 1. Between 2 to 3 any number, if you substitute the step x value is 2. So first eliminate step x, this value is 0 plus 1 to 2, here step x value is 1 dx, now eliminated step here, and 2 to 3 step x is 2 dx. So this is 0, integration of 1 dx x, limits 1 to 2, integration of 2 dx 2x, limits 2 to 3. Upper limit 2 minus 1 plus lower limit 3 minus 2, which is 1 plus 2, answer is 3. Next, question number 28. In equal integration of log x whole raised to n, then in plus n into in minus 1. This is already we have discussed in the indefinite. This is indefinite concept, not definite. So already we have discussed uv. Okay, if you want, check it here, u in equal to u is log x whole power n, v integration of 1 dx, right, minus derivative of log x is n into log x whole power n minus 1, log x derivative is 1 by x, integration of 1 dx is x, get cancel. So integration of 1 dx x into log x whole power n minus n log x whole power n minus 1 in dx integration is in minus 1. This is in plus n into in minus 1 equal to x into log x whole power n. Question number 29, integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 sin cube x dx divided by sin cube x plus cos cube x dx. I said this formula, I think you can recollect by let this is I, by taking I also will get by using property shortcut direct 0 to pi a to b, here f of sin x dx f of sin x plus f of cos x. Sin cofunction is cos, sin cofunction is cos. In this case the answer is b minus a by 2, b minus a by 2. Tell me b, pi by 3 minus pi by 6 by 2, so pi by 6 by 2 which is equal to pi by 12. This is understood. If you want theory method, let this is I is equation 1, use apply a to b, integration of a to b f of x dx equal to f of a plus b minus x, 90 minus x cos cube x, here cos cube x, here sin cube x, both add will get cancel, integration of 1 dx will get, 1 dx means upper limit minus lower limit, here 2a will get when you add, take that side. Next, question number 30, I1 equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 x into sin x dx, I2 equal to integration of 0 to pi by 2 x cos x dx. Then which of the following is true? A option, I1 equal to I2, B option, I1 plus I2 equal to 0, C option, I1 equal to pi by 2 into I2, D option, I1 plus I2 equal to pi by 2. This is use property I1 equals integration of 0 to pi by 2, in place of x write a minus x, pi by 2 minus x, sin 90 minus x cos x dx, pi by 2 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx minus 0 to pi by 2 x sin x dx. X sin x dx integration is I1, this is I1, transpose this side, I1 plus I1 2I1, 0 pi by 2 here, cos x integration sin x, limits 0 to pi by 2. So pi by 2 sin pi by 2 is 1 minus 0 which is equal to pi by 2. Yes, okay. Otherwise here sin x cos x here have done wrong, here x cos x cos x 0 to pi by 2 x cos x dx is I2, this is I2, here I1 I2 transpose this side, I1 plus I2, so which is equal to pi by 2. This is the answer, I1 plus I2 equal to pi by 2, which is correct. D option is right. Next, question number 31. integration of minus 1 to 2 mod x by x dx, minus 1 to 2 mod x by x dx. Here we should eliminate mod. Mod is changing it positive and negative, 0, changing it 0. 0 is there in this interval? Yes. So we have to split minus 1 to 0 mod x by x dx plus 0 to 2 mod x by x dx. In this interval the mod x is negative. In this interval the mod x is positive. Minus 1 to 0 minus x by x dx plus 0 to 1 x by x dx get cancelled. Minus 1 integration is minus x, limits minus 1 to 1, integration of 1 dx x is 0 to 1. Apply upper limit minus 1 minus plus 1, here 1 minus 0, right? Sorry, this is 0 to 2 minus 0, minus 1 minus 2 plus 2, the answer is 0. Correct? Once check it here, minus x here, upper limit is minus 1, minus output x is equal minus 1 here, minus plus 1, right, minus 2 plus 2, 0 answer is. Next, when mod function if comes no, we should split the interval in which point it is changing from negative to positive. That point, by using that point we have to split the intervals. Question number 32, integration of 0 to pi cos power 4x by cos power 4x plus sin power 4x dx equal to, see, if this is 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4x plus sin power 4x dx, which is equal to pi by 2, pi by 4, which is equal to pi by 4. But here limits are different here. Here 0 to pi by 2 not there. So we have to convert in terms of 0 to pi by 2. How? By using property. This can write like this, 2 into pi by 2, 2a form. 0 to integration of 0 to 2a f of x dx equal to 2 into 0 to a f of x dx. If f of 2a minus x equal to f of x. Let me check, this is the f of x, cos power 4x by cos power 4x plus sin power 4x. F of 2a pi by 2 minus x. So pi minus x, cos pi minus x is minus, but 4 is the even number, power is even number, we will get positive only. Cos power 4x, here also cos power 4x, here also sin power 4x, which is equal to f of x. So when it is f of x, f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, this 2 comes here. So 2 into 0 to pi by 2 cos power 4x dx divided by cos power 4x plus sin power 4x. So 2 into which is equal to pi by 4. The answer is pi by 2. This is. Question number 33, f of x equals f of pi plus e minus x and integration of e to pi f of x dx equal to 2 by e plus phi. Then integration of e to pi x into f of x dx, e to pi x into f of x dx, right. This is x is there, use property, by using property we can eliminate this x, okay. Use this property here, integration of a to b f of x dx equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx, understood. E to pi, in place of x, right, a plus b, pi plus e minus x. Here also f of pi plus e minus x dx. Integration of e to pi, okay, pi plus e minus x, let it be, and f of pi plus e minus x equal to f of x dx. So pi plus e integration of e to pi f of x dx minus e to pi x into f of x dx. This is the I. This is I. Transpose this side, I plus I, 2i, pi plus e, integration of e to pi f of x dx value given. How much? 2 by e plus pi. This get cancelled. I is equal to 1. I is equal. Next question number 34. Integration of minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log of sec theta minus tan theta d theta. Sec theta minus tan theta. This is the both having same limits and having opposite sign. In such case, we should verify whether it is even or odd. Let f of theta is, this is log of sec theta minus tan theta. Put theta is equal to minus theta. Log of sec minus theta is sec theta. Tan minus theta is plus tan theta. Log of, here the student can stuck up. By seeing this, they may decide neither even nor odd. But not. This is possible to make this form. How? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1. Therefore, secant theta minus tan theta equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. This is equal to 1 by sec theta plus tan theta. Now, secant theta plus tan theta also 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. This is here plus comes here minus. It take up log of sec theta minus tan theta whole power minus 1. Then minus of log of sec theta minus tan theta, which is equal minus of f of t. F of minus theta equal to minus of f of t. Then it is odd function. The odd function, if it is, the value become a 0. Question number 35. Integration of 0 to pi by 4 log of sin x plus cos x divided by cos x dx. 0 to pi by 4 log of sin by cos tan x plus cos by cos x 1. So this is the standard formula. 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx equal to pi by 8 log 2. This is standard result. Standard result. Every year compulsory one question they will ask from the standard result. 36. Integration of minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 dx by 1 plus cos 2x. It's a very easy. Minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 dx by 1 plus cos 2x equal 2 cos square x. Then 1 by 2 minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 secant square x dx. In this case, lower limit and upper limit both are having same limit having opposite sign. In such case, we should verify whether it is even or odd. If we put x is equal minus x, sec minus x is minus plus sec x and square is there, so which is even. If it is even, we can write 2 into 0 to pi by 4 secant square x dx. This get cancelled. Secant square x integration tan x limits 0 to pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 1 minus 0, which is equal to 1. Next question number 37. Integration minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 sine of 103 x cos power 101 x dx. Here also we have to check it whether it is even or odd, because having same limits and opposite sign. F of x is equal to sine of 103 x cos power 101 x. Put x is equal minus x. Sine of minus x is minus sine of 103 x. Here also cos of minus x is cos of 101 x. Understood? Sine of minus x is minus sine x. Cos of minus x is cos x. Right? This is minus f of x. So which is odd function? F is odd function. Then the value is 0. Next, question number 38. Integration of 0 to pi by 2 sine power 1000x dx by sine power 1000x plus cos power 1000x. This is standard formula. What is the answer is pi by 4. Sine cofunction here. Limit 0 to pi by 2. 39. Integration of 2 to 8 root of 10 minus x root of x plus root of 10 minus x dx. Tell me there is a formula direct. Integration of a to b f of x dx f of a plus b minus x dx by root of f of a plus f of x plus f of a plus b minus x. In that case the answer is b minus a by 2. This is add 8 plus 2 10 minus x, here 10 minus x 10 minus x. If you write 10 minus x here, root x will get. So this is contain that formula, so which is equal to b minus a by 2. What is b? 8, a is 2 by 2, 6 by 2 means 3. Okay, right? Theory method already you know. In theory method, let this is I, equation 1, apply limits a to b in place of x, right? 10 minus x. Again you will get this is, both add it, all will cancel, integration of 1 dx will get. Okay, so far we have discussed the previous CET questions. Tomorrow onwards we will discuss the JEE questions and few example problems we will discuss today. Integration of example problems. Integration of 0 to 1 e power t 1 plus t dt equal to a. Then integration of 0 to 1 e power t by 1 plus t whole square dt equal to what? Yes, this is given here. This is we have to find. How to find uv? Integration of 0 to 1 e power t 1 by 1 plus t dt. Yes, equal to a. Now which is u? Here algebraic is u and this is v. 1 by 1 plus t, 1 by 1 plus t. Understood? 1 by 1 plus t. Right? 1 by 1 plus t, integration of e power t. Integration of e power t is e power t integration, right? Minus integration of, here limits, after that I will apply, these are t limits, t is equal to 0 and t is equal to 1. Lower limit is 0 and upper limit 1. Derivative of 1 by 1 plus t is minus 1 by 1 plus t whole square. E power t integration e power t and dt. Understood? By parts this is. Have done by parts. uv. Apply limits here 0 to 1. Apply upper limit e power 1 is e by 1 plus 1 is 2. Lower limit is e power 0 is 1 by 1 plus 0 is 1. Minus plus integration of 0 to 1 e power t by 1 plus t square we want. This is we want. Equal to a. So this is what? This is take that side. Integration of 0 to 1 e power t by 1 plus t whole square dt equal to a minus e by 2 plus 1. A minus e by 2 plus 1. This is the answer. This is example problems which is useful for both JEE and CET. Next one is integration of 0 to pi by 2 root of 1 minus sin 2x dx. 0 to pi by 2, this we can write 1 minus sin 2x. 1 you can write cos square x plus sin square x. Sin 2x 2 sin x into cos x, right? Integration of 0 to pi by 2 root of cos x minus sin x whole square dx. This is equal 0 to pi by 2 cos of x minus sin x is the mod root x square equal to mod x. Root x square equal to mod x. Now that we have to eliminate mod. To eliminate mod, what is the turning point? When both are equal, pi by 4. At pi by 4 it is equal, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So pi by 4 is there in this interval? Yes. So 0 to pi by 4 mod of cos x minus sin x plus pi by 4 to pi by 4 to pi by 2 mod of cos x minus sin x dx. In this interval, cos is big, so positive than sin x. In this interval, cos is smaller than this, so it is negative. When it is positive, plus will get. When it is negative, negative will get. So finish. Direct integration you can find 0 to pi by 4 plus cos x minus sin x dx. Here negative minus pi by 4 to pi by 2 cos x minus sin x dx. This is apply integration, we will get the answer, that is.